How to turn off online status on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you directly to your homepage, right? Now here on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Tap on your profile icon there and it will lead you to your profile section, basically all your posts and everything. Now, what you want to do next is on the upper right, you will see the burger icon there. Tap on that and tap on settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to tap on privacy here. Now under privacy, scroll down up until you see activity status here. It's actually under guides and above messages. So tap on activity status and as you can see, it is currently turned on. Now what you want to do is to just to toggle off that, and basically that is how you turn off online status on Instagram. So if you toggle that off, you are now disallowing accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active. So basically that green icon there will not show, and basically that is how you turn off online status in Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.